Hey, good morning, everybody. Today is September 8th, 2020. Happy Tuesday. No school yesterday. I hope everybody had an amazing Labor Day. Had a good long weekend. Just 3 days of school this week, and then we're back to weekends. So let's work hard. Let's do a good job. Okay. For today, we're not going to spend a whole lot of time today. I want to go over just a couple of questions that I've had. Some of you have had a hard time getting the video to come up on your Canvas page. Um, if for some reason you're having an issue with that, the best way to conquer that or to get past that is if it doesn't work on your Canvas page, if you go to YouTube and you just type in Jesse Calder, um, my videos will all be uploaded to YouTube. Okay, so you guys can watch that through YouTube. However, I try to always have it on the Canvas page just so it's convenient for you um, to get to. It's nice and easy to get to that way. Um, so anyway, that's another option if it doesn't work. Okay, so for today, guys, the do now. I have this in a discussion already. So when you show perseverance, we talked about this as one of our vocab words last week. You blank. Okay, so when you show perseverance, um, to persevere means to stick to something, that you don't give up, that you keep working at it, that you just grind it out and do a good job. Okay, you persevere. When something's hard, you don't quit. Okay, that's perseverance. So make sure you do the do now. As far as turning in any pages today, I don't think that we will do that. Okay, because I'm just gonna kind of explain a couple things over here, and we'll be moving forward. Then make sure that everybody should have be able to log in to the Read 180 section. Um, Once again, if that is not working for you, if your username and password don't work, please log on to um, please log on to Canvas, go to my class, the Read 180 class, then find to do, and when you click on the reading inventory, there's a link there. For some reason, when you go through that link, it will always work with your password. Okay, so make sure that you do that. So after you've watched this video, we're going to go over just a couple things. Make sure you do independent reading. You read your own book, okay, and then make sure that you do the student application in the website, okay. 15 minutes of each. 15 minutes of independent reading, 15 minutes of um, 15 minutes of the student application, okay. Awesome. Okay, so let's talk about this today. This is page 21 of your book. This is going to give you some ideas of what's in a few of the sections we're going to go over. Okay, so look for these icons to find your favorite topics. So speak out. That one's going to be about um, using your voice, to help solve problems, things like that. Earth Matters. It's going to be about taking care of the earth. Showtime looks like it's about music. Okay, those things are going to kind of help you. Those little icons are going to help you to kind of navigate the system. Freedom Road, democracy and civics. Some people brave a long journey to the land of opportunity. Okay, who can you think of that's done that before? Who has braved a long journey to find their opportunity, to get to opportunity? I'm going to pause you for just a minute. Okay. All right. So then we've got Moving Day. These people have experiences in two very different worlds. So we kind of talked about the one young man who moved across the world, and he was a Read 180 student. In Search of Hidden Worlds. Okay, so scientists discover the secrets of ancient civilizations. Okay, and notice, guys, in the independent reading here, it gives you all these options. Okay, and you'll be able to click on them and see the different options. It'll give you ideas as far as what to read that are within these categories. Okay, if you're a big techie, okay, there will be great independent reading for that. Okay, technical work, engineering, stuff like that. Okay, true grit. That comes with the growth mindset. Okay, keep your eyes on the prize, and anything is possible. Um, and then what's your POV? Who knows what POV is? Okay, that is point of view. What's your point of view? How many of you guys like to argue and debate? I'll bet if I asked your parents that you would, most of them would say, yeah, my kid does. I know sometimes my kid likes to argue and debate, and they're not very old, so. All right, moving on. Oh, actually, okay, good. So there will be something I'll have you turn in today, okay? Explore your interests. What topics interest you? Explore them in Read 180 texts and videos. Use the graphic organizer below to talk and write about what fascinates you and how you can learn more about that topic. Make a plan to know more. Choose a cluster you want to explore. Select videos and text that interest you. Think of other ways to explore the topic. Write why the topic interests you. Okay, so here's your cluster. Okay, what I want to read and watch. Fearless. Okay, ways to keep exploring the topic. Watch the news. I am interested in this topic because blank. So if I put fly fishing right here, okay, what I want to read and watch, there's an awesome magazine called Drake Magazine that's all about fly fishing. There's a great movie, A River Runs Through It, is one of my favorite fishing movies. There's also like uh, the Fly Fishing Film Festival, which is awesome. You can always find YouTube videos, things like that. Okay, what I want to read and watch. There's tons of magazines, there's tons of articles online that I could read and watch to learn more about fly fishing. Okay, ways to keep exploring this topic. Um, I could maybe join online forums. I could um, study it through books, through technology, things like that. I'm interested in this topic because it's a hobby of mine. I love to fish. It's awesome when you throw a dry fly out there and a fish immediately comes up, rises up, and grabs it off the top of the water. Okay, super cool stuff. It's just something that I'm interested in. Okay, so I'm going to have you guys do this. So think of something that you're super interested in. Okay, and then I want you to put over here some of the ideas that you are, um, things that you're interested in, and what you want to read and watch about it, ways to keep exploring this topic. Okay, so if I were to go back here, mine would probably be, so like the cluster key right here, fly fishing would be under probably play on, um, or Earth Matters maybe. Okay, though it could fall under both of those. So what you guys will do, guys, once again, okay, so mine would probably, the cluster would be play on, okay, and then I would fill in the things that I explained earlier, okay. All right, you guys good? Hopefully you caught that, and we'll go from there.